This right here is a 1980 FMC sprayer. It's been totally rebuilt. It's absolutely stunning. You can see by the fit and the finish, it's been professionally restored by Moeller Brothers Equipment Company, Ripon, California. Panning back on it towards the rear, I'll show you how the tank, stainless steel, has been totally restored, refurbished, polished, new plumbing, new fan, is refurbished. It's been totally rebuilt. I'll take you around the front, see if we can get the light to reflect better. That looks good. Okay, Phil, go ahead and put the side door down the bonnet. It's beautiful. Good day.